What if you could turn your home into a lush, calming jungle without leaving your front door? Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the truth. Most people think indoor jungle decor is just about adding a few plants, and that's exactly why their space never feels alive. In 2026, indoor jungle vibes are evolving into something much bigger. It's not just decoration anymore, it's a lifestyle, a way to create a peaceful, nature-inspired sanctuary that helps you relax, focus, and feel happier every single day. Imagine waking up surrounded by vibrant greenery, soft, natural light, and earthy textures that instantly calm your mind. No stress, no chaos, just pure, natural energy flowing through your space. And the best part? You don't need a huge budget or a big house to make it happen. With the right ideas, even a small room can feel like a tropical escape. In today's video, I'm going to show you 7 powerful indoor jungle decor ideas that will completely transform your home. Make sure you stay until the end because idea number 5 is the ultimate game changer that designers are obsessed with right now. Let's turn your home into a stunning indoor jungle. Number 1. Layer your greenery like a jungle. If you want your home to truly feel like a jungle, you need to stop thinking in singles and start thinking in layers. Most people place one plant in a corner and wonder why it looks empty, but nature doesn't grow that way. In a real jungle, plants overlap, climb, spread, and create depth from floor to ceiling. That's the exact feeling you want to recreate indoors. Start with tall statement plants to anchor your space. These create height and instantly draw attention. Then add medium-sized leafy plants around them to build fullness. Finally, finish with small plants and trailing vines to soften edges and fill gaps. For example, combine bold leaves like monstera with structured plants like fiddle-leaf fig and let trailing plants like pothos cascade from shelves or hanging pots. This mix creates a rich, layered look that feels natural and effortless. Placement is just as important. Keep tall plants in corners, medium plants near furniture, and smaller ones on shelves, desks, or windowsills. This creates a flowing visual effect that guides the eye around the room. The result is a space that feels alive, dynamic, and full of energy, just like a real jungle. Number 2. Bring in natural materials. Plants alone won't create the full jungle vibe. You need to support them with the right textures. Think about nature. It's not just green, it's wood, stone, bamboo, and raw organic materials working together in harmony. Bringing these elements into your home instantly makes your space feel warmer and more grounded. Start by swapping out synthetic or glossy decor for natural alternatives. Wooden furniture adds depth and richness, while rattan baskets and woven textures bring a soft, relaxed feel. Bamboo accents can instantly give your home a tropical touch without overwhelming the space. Even small changes make a big difference. Try using woven plant baskets instead of plastic pots. Add a wooden coffee table or a simple rattan chair. These details help your plants blend seamlessly into the environment instead of looking like separate decorations. Natural materials also reflect light differently, creating a softer and more calming atmosphere. This makes your home feel more inviting and less artificial. The key is balance. You don't need to replace everything, just mix in enough natural elements to complement your greenery. When done right, your space won't just look like it has plants, it will feel like nature itself. Number 3. Let the light in. Light is the secret ingredient that brings your indoor jungle to life. Without it, even the most beautiful plants can feel dull and lifeless. Natural light not only helps your plants grow, it transforms the entire mood of your space. Sunlight highlights textures, enhances colors, and creates that fresh, open feeling we all love. Start by maximizing the light you already have. Keep windows clear, use sheer curtains instead of heavy drapes, and position your plants where they can receive indirect sunlight. Even small adjustments can dramatically improve the look of your space. If your home doesn't get much natural light, don't worry. You can still create a jungle vibe using warm LED grow lights. These lights mimic sunlight and keep your plants healthy while adding a cozy glow to your room. Layering light helps too. Combine natural light during the day with soft ambient lighting in the evening to maintain that relaxing atmosphere. Remember, light doesn't just illuminate your plants, it brings energy into your home. When your space is filled with the right lighting, everything feels more vibrant, alive, and connected. Add water and earth elements. Want to take your indoor jungle to the next level? Add elements that engage more than just your eyes. In nature, you don't just see greenery, you hear water, feel textures, and experience a sense of calm. Bringing water and earth elements into your home helps recreate that full sensory experience. Start with something simple, like a small indoor fountain. The gentle sound of flowing water instantly creates a peaceful, spa-like atmosphere. It can reduce stress and make your space feel more relaxing. Next, incorporate earthy textures like stone, clay, and ceramic. These materials add depth and contrast to your greenery while keeping everything grounded and natural. You can also experiment with water-based plant displays, such as glass jars or vases with plants growing in water. These not only look beautiful, but also add a modern, refreshing touch to your decor. The goal is to create balance, combining plants, water, and natural textures to form a harmonious environment. When all these elements come together, your home won't just look like a jungle, it will feel like one. Number 5. Create a statement green wall. If there's one feature that can completely transform your home, this is it, a green wall. This is the ultimate indoor jungle statement, and it's one of the biggest decor trends in 2026. A vertical garden instantly turns any plain wall into a breathtaking focal point. Instead of spreading plants randomly around, a green wall concentrates them in one area, creating a bold and dramatic effect. It draws attention, adds texture, and makes your space feel immersive. You don't need a huge wall to make it work. Even a small section can become a stunning feature with the right setup. Use wall-mounted planters, floating shelves, or hanging pots to build your vertical garden. Mix different plant types for variety. Leafy greens, trailing vines, and compact plants all work together to create a lush, layered look. Maintenance is easier than you think. Choose low-maintenance plants and ensure proper lighting and watering, and your green wall will thrive. Once installed, it becomes the centerpiece of your home, something guests will instantly notice and admire. This is more than decor, it's a living piece of art. Number 6. Nature-inspired colors and scents. To complete your indoor jungle, you need to go beyond visuals and engage your senses. Start with color. Nature-inspired tones like deep green, warm brown, soft beige, and earthy terracotta create a calm and cohesive environment. These colors help your plants stand out while keeping the overall look balanced and relaxing. Avoid overly bright or artificial colors as they can break the natural vibe. Instead, aim for a palette that feels soft, warm, and organic. Next, bring in scent. This is often overlooked, but it makes a huge difference. Natural fragrances like eucalyptus, sandalwood, or fresh herbal notes can instantly transform how your space feels. Use candles, essential oils, or diffusers to add these scents subtly. The goal is not to overpower the room, but to create a gentle, calming atmosphere. When combined, these elements create a multi-sensory experience that makes your home feel like a true retreat. It's not just about how your space looks, it's about how it makes you feel. Number 7. Keep it minimal but lush. Here's the biggest mistake people make with indoor jungle decor. They add too much. Yes, jungle vibes are lush and full, but that doesn't mean cluttered. The key is to balance abundance with intention. Instead of filling every corner with random items, focus on carefully choosing pieces that complement your plants. Let your greenery be the main attraction and keep other decor simple and supportive. Think of it this way: every plant should have space to shine. When you give your plants space, they look healthier, more vibrant, and more visually impactful. Declutter unnecessary items and keep your layout clean. This creates a sense of calm and allows the natural beauty of your space to stand out. Minimalism doesn't mean empty, it means purposeful. When you combine lush greenery with a clean, intentional layout, you create a space that feels both vibrant and peaceful at the same time. Now imagine this. You walk into your home after a long day, and instead of stress, you're greeted by calming greenery, soft light, and the peaceful energy of nature. That's the power of indoor jungle vibes. It's not just decor, it's a lifestyle upgrade that transforms how you feel every single day. So which idea are you going to try first? Are you layering plants, creating a green wall, or adding those calming natural elements? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your ideas. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing home and plant inspiration. Your dream indoor jungle starts today.